all. In global operations, we have chosen the Tesco company. So let us start ourselves introducing by ourselves. So myself, Tejasvi Kumar Deshpande. Our group mates are Jagan Kumar Matthews and Sindhuja. So let us start from introduction of the company. Company overview from Tesco. It is founded in the 1919 and its headquarters are in the UK. And it operates more than 10 plus countries with strong presence of both Europe and Asia. Major services included groceries and online shopping and financial and mobile mobilization services like Club Card, and it is used for loyalty management and personalized offers targeting specific demographic segments. Over 330,000 employees worldwide are working in this company, and it is pioneering retail technology and automatic leaders and selected for their diversity of services offered as well innovations driven by the lean principles. And when it comes to the lean principles, actually lean is about the reduction of the value, and lean production is centered on the waste reduction and value enhancement, identifying identifying the core principles involved in the value identification, value stream mapping, flow pull, and perfection. In lean services, we concentrate on the process of efficiency while maintaining customer satisfaction and the reduction of waste of fosters continuous improvement and participation from all employees, workers, and the best ever changing environment in the self industry, and intangible outputs are prioritized over tangible goods. And now coming to the lean principle applied to the principles. And next slide. Yeah, actually, lean management is about the 5 steps. Basically, identifying the value and mapping the value stream and create the flow and establish the pull and seek perfection. So, for example, began at Toyota as Toyota production system in the 1940, centralized around the waste reduction and productivity improvement. It is introduced key concepts as JET, Zero Kaizen, and continuous process improvement. And it gained worldwide popularity as companies looked for increased efficiency. Urban and Oscar's was done in 2024, and it is transformed into lean manufacturing in Western industries. Applied to service sectors from the 1990s onwards, now it is core in, and this is the chronography of lean development, and these are the basic steps. And my teammate will continue the PPT.
Hi everyone. The globalization and the trends in the service industry. The globalization has an influence on the improvement of economies and the overall efficiency of states. There's an application of the strategies for the benefit of the entire company, which enable the organization to achieve the set goals. The global scope of technology has expanded such that people and information system are independent. The provision of products and services, the certification and needs the customers must be met and even exceeded, helping to invest within processes. Lean assist in enhancing the quality of all global operations, enhances homogeneity by on the one hand eliminating variations and allowance defined clusters. We move to the globalization pressures on Tesco. The global expansion makes the supply chain more complex. With marked differences in consumer behavior and laws, there's a stiff competition from likes of Amazon, Lidl, and Aldi. Striking a balance between the two is critical. Costs are on the rise of the most advanced companies are making cost-cutting efforts within the organization in the attempt of trying to protect the environment. Source of materials used of the protection and this distribution may be subject to the impact of the geopolitics and the economic policies. Lean addresses all these areas by ensuring there's a much more productivity and the responsiveness. To Tesco. Tesco has implemented lean principle into the physical store design and shelf restocking routines. By drawing on real-time analytic data, the retail maintain accurate stock levels while minimizing excess inventory that could otherwise go to waste. Its online fulfillment operations are likewise streamlined through just-in-time methodologies, ensuring that products arrive at the right place just when they are needed. Companies' self-service checkouts, meanwhile, play a vital role in shortening customers' queues and enhancing the shopping experience. Finally, Tesco's distribution centers are committed to continuous improvement or Kaizen, enabling incremental efficiencies across the entire supply chain. Delivery route optimization utilizes Lean Six Sigma. Project management of the Lean is done cross-functionally within teams. The tools that Tesco applied using Lean shifts, mapping out identity value streams, 5G system organizing, Kaizen, visual management, root cause analysis known as 5Is, automation of Jidoka, Lean IT back office process automation support. Next, Jagan will.
Yeah. Impact of Lean on Tesco's environmental sustainability. Lean practices have helped Tesco reduce environmental impact by minimizing waste, energy usage, and carbon emissions. By optimizing processes, Tesco cut unnecessary packaging and improved logistics, contributing to its sustainability goals. These efforts support eco-friendly operations and align with global environmental standards. Effects of Lean on Tesco's supply chain. Lean has streamlined Tesco's supply chain by reducing inventory waste, shortening lead times, and enhancing supplier coordination. This resulted in better efficiency, cost savings, and faster restocking. Tesco can now respond more effectively to customer demand while reducing overproduction and excess storage. Lean influence on customer interaction. Lean has improved customer experience through faster service, cleaner store layouts, and better product availability. Tesco's focus on value adding processes ensures that customers find what they need efficiently. Lean also supports personalization by integrating data driven insights into customer behavior. Challenges in Lean implementation at Tesco. Despite benefits, implementing Lean poses challenges such as resistance to change, initial training cost, and adopting IT systems. Aligning all departments and suppliers to Lean principles requires time and effort. However, Tesco overcame these with continuous improvement strategies and staff engagement.
Thank you, Jagan. Hi, everyone. I am here to explain about best strategy of lean implementation. Identify regions with high impact potential and execute pilot projects. Empower all employees directly involved through adequate lean training session courses. In today's fast-moving retail environment, reboost analytics and essentials for developing strategies founded on evidence rather than assumptions. That begins with establishing clear key performance indicators and supplementary metrics that allow organization to assess whether they are progressing towards their stated goals. Also, for lean thinking to take root throughout an organization, leaders must change a culture of ongoing improvements rather than episodic efficiency drives. Plans to streamline process through therefore need to align tightly with the broader business objectives so that resources, priorities, and incentives all points in their same directions. And when we talk about the mitigation strategies for lean challenges, overcoming personal obstacles in challenge management requires patience and time. Stepwise transition facilities incremental implementations. Information technology system requires upgrade during data subsystem integrations, adoptions incentives and reward for lean initiatives, global team cross-border culture training, and also communications plan involving stakeholders. When we talk about the critical evaluations, lean principles have improved the operational efficiency and sustainability of Tesco. Operational effectiveness and client satisfactions have also been achieved. There are challenges to be addressed, but with a sound of approaches, this can be managed. Innovations and responsiveness are fostered through lean and also focused adoptions of lean methodologies to digital transformations must continue. Ongoing refinement characteristics this flexible process perpetually unfinished. So when we talk about the conclusion and the summary, we can talk about that lean in services maximize value, eliminate waste. Tesco apply proficiently in the supply chain and all stores operating, including the digital ones. It's clear that the wave of globalization carries its own burdens and benefits. Planning and coping with risk help in the achievement of goal. It is not surprising that the principles can be effectively of lean manufacturers used in the field of services, and it can be easily implemented at Tesco. And we have mentioned the references where we have collected the data to do this presentation, where you can refer it. And thank you for the opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you.